everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Welcome to CounciLIVE, your live source on the most important issues in early childhood education today. CounciLIVE is hosted by the Council for Professional Recognition, and we invite you to tune in every other Friday for a new episode here on our Facebook page. Today, we're joined by Council CEO Dr. Calvin E. Moore Jr., who will be sharing the heart and vision behind our brand new broadcast series. Dr. Moore holds a PhD in early childhood education, and he's a CDA holder himself. Dr. Moore is an accomplished early childhood leader with a wealth of experience in the field, including in Head Start. In coming weeks, you'll have the chance to hear from Dr. Moore and other early childhood thought leaders about their research in the field. But today, you'll hear a little bit more about the heart behind this series. So, without further ado, please welcome Dr. Moore for a brief introduction to CounciLIVE.
Hi, my name is Calvin Moore. I'm CEO of the Council for Professional Recognition. Welcome to CounciLIVE, your live stream source for ECE research, theory, and practice. Our mission at the Council is the improved performance and recognition of early childhood professionals working with young children ages birth to age 5. We created CounciLIVE just for you. Each episode, there will be a subject matter expert in early childhood education presenting on topics that's relevant to the ECE community. I'm really excited about it, and I hope that you are too. Each episode would be anchored in our publications, the Essentials for Working with Young Children, and our National CDA Competency Standards books. As you know, the Essential is the go-to textbook for early childhood education. It includes the principles and pedagogy that every early childhood professional needs in his or her practice. I'm excited about CounciLIVE, and I thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks for our next episode of CounciLIVE. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us for this week's introduction to CounciLIVE. We would love to hear from you, so if you have ideas or questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll do our very best to get back to you. And don't forget to tune in 2 weeks for our first ever episode, a conversation with our Exec VP of Programs, Michelle Brown, about the importance of safety in early childhood programs. See you then.